Welcome back. Today, let's look at the difference in the unboxing experience between the Samsung Galaxy A05, should be on this side, A05 and the A05s. Okay, so we're going to unbox these two phones on this video. So let's quickly start with the Galaxy A05. So let's get in the box. There you go. Let's push it out. So of course the box is a usual box, normal paperwork. Oops. So we open like that. We have the charging and data cable. We have the phone right here. SIM ejector tool and nothing more. Okay. And there you go. So there is your Samsung Galaxy A05. Two cameras at the back. We have a power button here, SIM tray, headphone jack, Type-C port, microphone, and a downward firing speaker. So that's it. There's no charging brick. There's nothing else in the box. Okay. Now let's go ahead and unbox the A05s. Pretty much the same process. Okay. Once again, you have your box there. This time, let me try to not ruin that. Okay. Put it aside. We have the phone and the SIM ejector tool. So even here, we do not have the charging brick. So there is the Samsung Galaxy A05s. Now, first thing you'll notice is that this time we have three camera bumps, or rather three cameras, compared to the A05s. Okay, let me just put everything aside. So I have the A05 and A05s. Okay, this one is a bit more shiny. This one has sort of a matte finish. This one has two cameras here and three cameras here, but we have the LED flash on both of them. To the side, we have the SIM ejector, the SIM tray in the top left corner. Same goes for the A05s. And then, any other difference? This looks like just a button, a plain button, the power button. But on the A05s, it looks like it has a fingerprint sensor. Okay. And then at the bottom, it's all the same. Now, I'll be doing a more detailed video on the top 5 differences between the A05 and the A05s. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that. I'll also link it in the description below. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.